Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Schola. Hope you're doing well wherever you are. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to use another way to use a tomato to get a clear face. Don't mind my son. Whatever I'm saying, he will say it too. So there's a video I did on how to use a tomato using turmeric and a plain tomato, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to glow your face using another way. Tomato, you can use it in so many ways. Therefore, you get a tomato like this and a red tomato. As you can see, mine is very red. You see, a red tomato, and yes, a red tomato, and you slice it into two like this. Yes, you slice it into two. It's called motherhood, my friend. Don't mind. Then I'll be using sugar. I'm using the white sugar, this one. I don't know in the camera, can I see? The local sugar. After washing your face, you can use this sugar and tomato like this. You pour this sugar in this tomato, then you scrub your face. You scrub your face. Or you can squeeze the water and the sugar, and then use it to scrub your face. As you know, tomato is a good source of vitamin C, and sugar helps in tightening the face, remove wrinkles. Yeah, you can use this for pimples, dark circles, and for dark pimples. You can use this to brighten your face. Yes. You can also leave this for 30 minutes, then you wash it. I'm telling you, normalize loving yourself and pampering yourself while at home. Imagine in this simple method you get a glowing skin, and also it's very cheap. A tomato is 10 bob. It used to be 5 bob. And sugar is just a pinch of sugar, and then you are good to go. You glow your face. You can also use this to scrub your lips. I'm used to telling people, pamper yourself while at home. Please, if you are new here in this channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos, and follow the instruction and glow your face. As you can see, mine is already glowing. You can use this to remove even pimples, rashes, tighten your skin. This is what I call save and glow. Save and glow. As you can see, there's this shiny look. If you can see very well, there's that shiny look from a different. You can use this twice a week. As you continue scrubbing, you will feel that the skin has started tightening. And so, even you can see my hands. You see the way they're shining? That's the shiny look it will give to your skin. Vitamin C from the tomato, the antioxidant from the sugar and the scrubbing and the tightening. As you know, instead of honey, you can also use sugar to tighten your face. So if you don't have honey, you can use sugar. This is just one way of how to glow your face. My friend, it is up. Hey, it is tight. So you can give this about 30 minutes or so, and then you wash off. It will help the skin to tighten. As I'm feeling my skin is tightening. So this will remove wrinkles, the laugh lines, the ones that are normally here, and tighten those people who have wrinkles around here. This will make your face glow, have that glassy what? Glassy look, the shiny look. Even when you don't have makeup, you can just walk confidently. My friend, welcome to this channel. So guys, this is my final look after washing off. I'm telling you, I'm feeling it smooth. Look at that, very clear face. Mm-hmm. Then I know my son is teaching himself how to speak. And then I'm going to use this, my favorite what? Amara Rocher. As you can see. Then as always, take your time to massage your face while moisturizing. Okay? Apply in circular motions. And that's my final look, guys. As you can see, the face is a bit brighter. And then it's clear. No rashes, no blemishes, a glass look. Yes. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always supporting me. I don't take this for granted. And as always, ciao.